Lesson 4.3, Click Counter App. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Greg the Vibe Coder. This is Lesson 4.3, Click Counter App. And I'm going to be honest with you, this one sounds simple, a button that counts clicks. But by the end, you've got a high score tracker, an undo button, and something that's genuinely hard to stop clicking. This is also the last WPF lesson, 3 real Windows desktop apps. Let's finish strong. Same 4 steps, let's go. Step 1, copy the prompt. Here's the prompt. Create a WPF click counter application in C#. The app should show a large number in the center of the window that starts at 0. A big Click Me button increments the counter by 1 each click. A reset button sets it back to 0. An undo button reverses the last action. Track and display a high score. The highest number reached in the current session. Make the counter number large and bold. Reset, undo, high score tracking, all in one prompt. I'm copying it now. Step 2, paste into AI, new chat, paste, enter. Two files again, XAML and C#. You know the drill, layout in main window.xaml, logic in main window.xaml.cs. Step 3, run the code. Visual Studio, new project, WPF application, C#. Name it Click Counter, create, main window.xaml, Control+A, delete, paste the XAML, main window.xaml.cs, Control+A, delete, paste the C#, F5. Big number, 0, let's go. 1, 2, 3. High score is tracking up there. Now let me hit reset. Back to 0. But the high score stayed. It remembers the best you've done this session. Now, undo. Went back 1. That's state management. The app is remembering what happened and reversing it. One prompt did all of that. Step 4, Vibe Tweak. Open main window.xaml.css. We're looking for the line that adds 1 to the counter. It'll look something like this. Count plus equals 1. Change the 1 to a 5. Count plus equals 5. Save. F5. Five, 10, 15. Every click jumps by 5. Your high score is going to look very impressive very fast. Extra credit. If you want to go further, paste this. Add milestone celebrations to the click counter. When the counter hits 10, 25, 50, and 100, change the background color of the window and display a congratulations message for 2 seconds before returning to normal. Now your counter celebrates. Hit 50 and the whole window lights up. That's an event system, the app watching a value and reacting when it crosses a threshold. Real software does this constantly. Reflection WPF is done. Before you move on, think about what you just built across these 3 lessons: a greeter, a registration form with validation, a counter with undo and high score tracking. These are the building blocks of every piece of desktop software you've ever used, and you built all 3 with prompts. That's lesson 4.3, and that's WPF complete. Next up is Arduino. We're going physical. Real components, real circuits, real LEDs that blink because your code told them to. It's a completely different feeling, and I think you're going to love it. Links to everything are below. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. See you in Arduino lesson 5.1.